Maybe a different angle. Cool, this looks so stupid. I'm serious. This looks really bad. What if I stuck it down here? Okay, still looks stupid. So I literally just broke my camera stand and a piece of it fell into the burner. So we're really getting off to a good start here, guys. It's going great. I threw that in the sink. I don't know why. Okay, we're going to get started. I hope you can see what we're doing here. And I hope this stays in. You can't see my beautiful face, though. Well, anyway, so I have everything we need. We have our stand mixer with a whisk attachment, a bowl, a pan, farm fresh eggs, because you just can't get any better than that. I need cream of tartar. I do need that. I hope I have that. I got heavy whipping cream, salted butter for our French buttercream, 5 egg yolks for that. So I think we have everything we need. Baking paper, parchment paper, whatever it's called. Yeah, you need that. And so, yeah, here we go. Oh, y'all just watched me do that whole thing. That's awkward. Okay, so, well then you know what I did. I hung it up there because why not? Okay, so the first thing I need to do is measure out. Where did my recipe go? Because it took me like 4 hours to find that thing. I should have wrote this where I could read it. That probably would help. 60 to 64 grams of egg whites. Because why not? Okay, well, I don't have a place to put this. So I have my egg whites. We have to whip them because they've been gnawing. So we're going to stick. Oh, that was almost bad. That was okay. So egg whites are in. We'll save that bowl for the other one. I kind of go slow-ish. And then when we get soft foaminess, we're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. So there's a 1/4 teaspoon. I got my 1/8 of a teaspoon. Boom. When these get to like a soft whatever, we'll do something with it. Never buy these things, they suck. Okay, anyway. So these have gotten to what they're supposed to be. So we're gonna add 1/8 of a teaspoon. It's just kind of like frothy. Maybe it'll show you. You can't see that. Yeah, they're just... This stuff's like moist. Sorry if that triggered anyone. We got it sifted once. It looks like sand. There's a cat hair in it. I need 85 grams of powdered sugar. It's a little dusty. And we're going to whip these until we have soft peaks. So I would say that's a soft peak. So we're going to start adding sugar a tablespoon at a time. We're going to mix them until they're like a really stiff, dry. I don't know what I honestly don't know what I'm doing. You can go ahead and add just a little bit of your food coloring. They just started freaking out. I don't know if that's a stiff peak or not. This is the hardest thing I've ever tried to clean off. Okay, so we have our egg whites that are whipped up. I don't know if this is... It smells weird. Anyway, I guess it's just because it's eggs. I think I may have over whipped them. And then we're supposed to fold it until it's the consistency of lava. I'm not sure what the consistency of lava is. If you don't know what folding is, then I'm sorry. Well, that fork went in my foot, so that's nice. This is seriously taking forever. Gotta keep powering through, you know? It's like life. You just gotta... I didn't add the flavoring. Damn it, I swear. I probably just messed these up. Oh well. Yeah. I stepped on that fork. Hey sisters. Anyway, so... Yes, anyway, okay. This is not how I need to do this. Well... That's not tragic. Oh my god. Beautiful. It says an A2 tip. I think that looks like an A2 tip. Okay. So now... Oh no, it's coming out. This does not look like macaroon paste. My first ones are going to just suck, basically. So far, my consistency and size, it has not been very consistent. God, those look ugly. They're already touching. I've already messed them up. They're gonna be ugly. They're gonna be so ugly because I did it wrong. Now I have to let these set for about an hour to firm up or dry out. Okay, so it's just about time to bake them. Yeah, I got the oven preheated to 300 degrees, and then I gotta bake them for 20 minutes. If these are not the most beautiful things you have ever seen. And they're out. They look horrible. So, I took them out of the oven. They're stuck to the tin foil. So I put them in the freezer. They're good, they're cakey, they're spongy. They're probably the best macaroons I've ever made. They're lemony. So I'm really hoping they just come off the tin foil. So we'll come back and see. And they look like total crap. But anyway, they came off the paper. Anyway, we're just gonna try to salvage these. So next we're gonna make our French buttercream. And for that we need 100 grams of sugar. I feel like I'm meal prepping with this. And then we need 45 milliliters of water, so that's 45 grams of water. Okay, so we got that on medium heat on the stove. And then we also need 5 large egg yolks. And then 227 grams of butter. So I need my mixer again. Oh, I got a water. Are they supposed to be sticky? Let me know, because who is this person? Okay, I keep thinking people coming up my driveway and like trying to murder me. Anyway, I'm not paranoid at all. Oh god, that is boiling like crazy. Because it says get it up to 240. I don't have a candy thermometer, so boiling it for 5 minutes. Got my butter. What was I doing? Egg yolks. I need egg yolks. I stuck my finger through that one. That one's done. Why are these eggs cracking like they're... I swear I know how to crack an egg. I don't know why I'm saying it like with vibrato. I have used so many eggs today. We're getting there. I literally just have a giant wad of sugar in this. Something has gone terribly wrong in here. So I'm pretty sure that's all of my sugar. What the heck happened? The French buttercream did not work. So I don't know if this is French buttercream or not. It's just, it looks like this. Okay, so for these guys, we are just going to take one, oh my god, they're falling apart. One cookie, pipe this mound of buttercream on it like that. Take another cookie. I don't know why they're so soft. And they're seriously falling apart. And you have the most beautiful macaroon ever, okay? Anyway, yeah, these are just a hot mess, basically, is what we're getting at here. So I realized while I was editing that my camera shut off, which is great. So you never got to see my reaction from eating one of these. So here we go. Creamy. But pretty good. I will also be leaving a link, not a link, I'll just be writing out the recipe. So if you want to try these things, maybe they'll come out better than mine. If they do, congratulations, you're better than me. Remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, have a great day.